surprised. Oh, right there's my.
Oh.
He went up.
He just went by his boot over there.
Oh, right here.
Alright, we're gonna turn it up.
Yeah. There we go.
That's a nice one. There was another one. That one by his boot. Unless it came back up. We're gonna go up to 500. Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Want to show him?
It's a newt.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
A good size one.
I thought it was a leaf.
Hmm?
That's cool. Here comes another one.
There's your hair.
Can't believe there weren't any under the log here.
Yeah, we hit this pool. We kind of just work our way. Just keep your clubs wide. It's not work towards you.
There's one, but I can't get to it. There we go.
Good one.
Can't believe there's not one in here.
There's one. Two. I think I know what they're doing. Got one of them.
Yeah, I got another.
I see it. Thanks, yeah, there. I think I know what they were doing.
Hopefully they didn't succeed.
Where you find one, you find two. Want to come get this one? The wall of electricity.
That's the fattest one yet.
I think we'll have to go in the picture to Alan Bog. This is what we need. dog.
Find one
Yeah.
on the third pass and
If we do get one at the very end, I'm just gonna call it. Is that one at the bottom?
yeah.
The one we've been looking for.
Yep. That may be the one that you chased up into.
Yeah. Oh, there's that one.
There's one.
There you go, boy. There's one.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh, you got him. Nice.
No.
Those are pretty though. I've never seen them. This rock, or underneath this log right here.
Want me to try to lift it up?
Maybe.
Yep, there it is. Yeah, I'm off, so.
Oh, that was a bird right there.
It's like prime habitat in here.
Yeah. That's Bradley. Anything up over there? Is this thing else is sample set?
No, we were up where we parked. Tons of crawfish.
Got one.
Oh. No.
Got a fish?
No.
Don't say that. Oh, look at that.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah.
Because normally, like you said, they just shoot, right?
Alright. Go, Carl.
Coming down, coming down.
Oh yeah, that's huge.
One.
You didn't. Oh, I didn't get it. Fat little things.
Catfish, that many trees.
20.
The whole way, just
Yeah, and then it backed up, and there's should be a huge pool that goes for like 100 yards, but it's deep. Well, but hopefully not so deep now, so we can successfully shock it pretty well.
I feel like that pool would be loaded.
Yeah. Well, hopefully it's shallow enough right now to be effective.
shot this up here, right?
No, we
Or
haven't
fresh
shot.
pass.
We're weird. Yeah. I think we've only walked through that pool when we cleared it. Would try to clear all this of debris. I don't think anyone's been through it since.
Oh, looking for it. Get it?
Got two.
Back home.
24.25.
Six?
No, we were at 23, I think. Oh, okay. Well,
I think so. I think we were 24.
I think we were 23.
yeah, so 24.25. Counting's hard, okay.
Yeah, we need one of those clickers.
I saw another one go.
We'll stage it up. I got limited mobility.
Right there,
Come down the middle.
I got it. 25.
That's at least 26. Last time we were.
Fish.
27.
Wider one, right?
It was bigger than the last couple.
Causing it to switch out. Right in the hole you Alright, hold up, Haley. Gonna take me a second. Oh, let's go.
I see it off to
On the right.
yeah to the wait, big one to the left, or to her left.
Oh, hold up. It wasn't.
Oh, sorry. I thought you found. I thought you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just stung the hell out of me.
I thought you was like, oh yeah, there. But I was really shocked. Okay. I haven't went on strike yet. Don't worry. Just trying to make it.
Firmer yet?
Slightly.
Stop mainly for a drink, but I could also use it.
So you're gonna have to give me a second when I get up there.
Yeah. I don't blame you.
That's a rip. Everything on the way.
Just when you think it's so crowded.
Because my left foot. Let's skip in the whole.
I thought it might be better
The whole
in
couple
stream
miles
bed. It's
goes
not.
like
You can go the left.
Oh my god.
There. One of them that Bratton was like, oh yeah, I got this, no problem. Fish.
29.
See that?
Is that a dragonfly too?
No,
it's
it's
a big
stonefly.
black.
Big black stone.
Big black stonefly.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thing is huge.
Yeah.
Like when I feel like when they see them out in the Colorado River like that. You know, the big the exoskeletons out when you see them?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a stonefly.
Yeah, that is.
Or a salmon fly.
Yeah.
That many goons so big out. Yeah, there's a big one. Look at this guy. See that guy? I see him.
Fish.
Fish, lots of fish. Ned.
Yeah.
One on the bottom, one on the bottom. Fish right here.
I got a fish in my net. Ready?
Yep. Alright. They're having an orgy. It's like I can hear this. I can hear what's happening. Oh.
Hey, let me turn this up a notch.
It's better just for this work.
Got him.
Oh yeah.
Found him?
Oh, yeah.
You got the big boy?